Menteri rangba ka jela Konrad ke sangma haga kat pratrik nailar ula pelat ya ke Dienjat ka badai ka sienjam wat bniah ka ban khmi biang ya ka jingiadei hak rukam im bat ka culture jing ki pat Khasi Jaintia bat ka than South East Asia. Ha ka jingkran Konrad ula ong ki Dienjat ka de ka jingai lenti ban syampat bat penya sok biang ya ka menor jongi kenang bangin la ban sngut hu khamha ya ka menta bat penwandor ya ka lawe jongi. Ula ong baka ni ka jing pelat ka di shibenta jong ka jing bersyang ka bayai beteng ban bu jing tho ban tingkai bat rakhi ka culture bat ka history jong ka jela ka jongi bat ban pen kham ti hai ki beriu ban lap dien biang yala ka jong ka tan rai. Ula ban rap ba haba pen shong nong rim na ki kot ki sla jong ka por sin shar do li bat ki jing nang jing tip tan rai ki riu shampang bat ki nong wat bniah trai muluk kila poi sha ka jing menjur lang baka jet bin riu Khasi bat Jaintia kila bandai ki bami na ki than ki balatim menta kum ka Cambodia bat ka Laos. Ula ong ru baki jingwat bniah ban lap ye ki jing dan jingiadei kat kum ka history kila sha khanglat namar ka jingduna ha ka jingbe tingka ban nit wat jing tip shabar jong kari ki jing e ha ka liang ka jing pen biang ya ka jing dan kam bat ka jingiadei san per thei ban ye lang bat kini ki than ka jingbam dan ka jinga lang ha ka kam puli bat wat bniah bat ka jingduna ka jingkarshan ka ban Islam ya ki jaka puli. Ban weng ya kan ka jing e ngila thau ya ka kinhun wat bniah ba kerpang hapo jong ka tanat arts and culture ka bawan ra lang ki riu shampang ba pokmat bat ki officer ban lam sha ka jing trei ka ba bniah bat ka ba ken thop ya bon ki liang ban wan ban lum jing tip bat ban bishar bniah ya ka tan rai long shwa jong ki jet bin riu jong ni ula ong. Habakren halor ki Dienjat e-portal bala pelat ha ka ni ka jing alang Menteri rangba ula ong baka e-portal kadai ka bala penwandor ban penlong ya ka jingwat bniah ka bakham seiso ka bala ban poi sha baro bat ka badan ka jingta ka bakham jur ban lum thop iki data wat bniah bat ban penla ya ka jing trei kamlang ka ban pen stat ya ka jinga kren penduna ya ka jing pendan kami ki kot kisla bat ka jing penlut ha ka jing payat kam na lor ka jing penjana ya ka jing trei kam ka basai bat ka jing khmi bniah. Menteri rangba ulapan kan mau ya ka jingalang halor ka jingkong san bat jingdon kam jong ka ni ka jingwat bniah bat khot ya ka jinga lang bat ka jinga shimben talang jong baro ki kinhun badan benta. Konrad ulapelat ru ya ka project document ni ki kot kisla jong ka project bat pliru ya ka kamera wat bniah jong ki Dienjat hapo ka Williamson Sangma State Museum Syllad. Hakan ni ka singi la yodon lang ru Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture ba san bor shulai Justice Hamar San Singh thank you Principal Secretary Arts and Culture ki dikhot ka kinhun wat bniah bat ki officer na Katanat Arts and Culture.
We really don't know where we're heading, to be very frank. So, you really don't have your hopes too high in this. It's a journey which we really don't know where it will take us. And that also, in fact, makes it even more exciting, to be very frank. We will uncover a lot of things as we move along. Some things may be, in fact, surprising to us. But of course, as I said, we'll have to be carefully treading the path. There are a lot of things we need to keep in mind because obviously these are things that are sensitive in nature. There are legal aspects to it. There is sovereign aspects to it. So many aspects which we cannot just simply ignore. So we will work as we move along. The point being that, which we have been stressing on, is that we have to start somewhere. We always keep talking about this has to be done, the culture is important, our identity is important, our people are important to us, the culture is this, but what do we do about it? So, really that's where the irony lies, is that, we are all good at talking, as Basanbor was mentioning, but I think what really matters is the action we take. Even small steps we take, but let those steps be concrete, let them be definitive, and let them leave real footprints, as we said. So therefore, this is what our objective is as we move along. And while I say this, please understand also that it's not that this project is just one of its kind. In the last 8 years, I think almost everything that we have done has been towards establishing our identity, promoting our culture. really looking at in ways and means in which we can, kind of give another level of lift to different aspects of our tradition. So, we didn't have this symbol, this logo. We never had this. Our Meghalaya state was without a logo for 54 years. We sat one day, we said, well, we need a logo. Every state has a logo. Every state has an identity. And we went behind details about how it would be made. And if you look at this logo, it's a true representation of what Meghalaya is. Its people, its culture, its geography, the three hills, the monoliths, the Garo drum, and the different, ornaments that we have of our state. I mean, this is just one example. Our anthem. We never had a state anthem. Almost every state has an anthem. And why is it important? Because again, it gives us identity. It connects us to our roots. It makes us feel special. And that is really what we've been trying to do. Our 70 or rather 50 this year, I think last year 50, but this year we are trying to expand to 75. Our research scholars who were first part of this project, to be very frank. So if some of you who are involved in that will know that I started what we call the CM Research Grant. And that grant is supposed to give 3 lakh rupees, and it is giving, to different scholars to research about culture, language, history, and different aspects of our people. And the idea was to keep building on it. So what we did then and what we're doing now is in a way connected. Whether you look at our aspects of our different traditions that are there. David was mentioning about the textiles that we have, and the kind of boost that we have given to India, to the Aries silk in the last many years is again testament to that same belief that we have, that these are things that are part of our culture, part of our livelihood, and we don't need to really do so much to find new things. There are these existing wonderful things. Just give it a larger scope and give it larger opportunity, and that's what we've been doing. Whether you look at the different festivals that we have and how we've been trying to improve. If you go towards Smith area in Nongkrem, there was earlier in the Nongkrem dance there were some rituals that used to be performed, and you'll be quite amazed to know that these rituals, some of them were being done and conducted and performed for centuries. And if you go to that location or had gone to that location, it's a sacrifice, kind of a sacrificial, kind of a program or whatever, a ritual, sorry. And you went to that place, and you would see that there was nothing. This was just grass, and there's no place to sit. And from the Khasi tribe point of view and the culture point of view, it was a very kind of an important, kind of a ritual. And the kind of importance that it should be getting, it was not. The moment I went there the first time and I saw it, I said, this needs to be changed. This needs to be given the importance. And we immediately sanctioned close to about 7 crores. And we built up a beautiful, a gallery and an arena out there, a restaurant in the back, an office space. And if you go and see that place now, I mean, it really, you can feel the difference. And today tourists are flocking there, they're enjoying, they're seeing the different rituals, and really becoming part of the culture of our people.